Hey guys, this is going to be a quick video on what to do when your two licensing servers don't match. So for example, the licensing server that Samsung uses is the SLM. You can look this information up here. So you go to your samsungknox.com, log into the dashboard. On the left side, click on licenses. Scroll down, and what you'll do is you'll enter, I'm going to grab one of these real quick. You'll enter your license key into the check license key section down towards the bottom, and then click go there. When that comes back, it's going to tell you all about your license key. Now, this total number of seats purchased, make sure that that's correct. And then the number of seats activated, make sure that's correct as well. This here is the authority over all licensing. So if Knox Manage says that there is one seat available, it will tell the device to use that key because it thinks that there's one seat available. If the SLM server does not have that seat available, you'll need to make the two match. And this can sometimes get out of sync if you remove a device from Knox Manage, but it doesn't go through the unenrollment process, so it doesn't sync back up with the SLM server to report that it has been removed. So what you can do is right here, you'll click on device deactivation. If you don't see this option, you'll need to go to support and upgrade to support plus. There will be a upgrade option in one of these. I've already done it here, so I can't show it to you, but you'll go back to after you upgrade your support, which just requires a paid license key. It doesn't require any additional payment or anything. You'll just put your paid license key in there, and then your account will automatically be upgraded. So then click on licenses and scroll down, and you'll get this device deactivation option here. Just click on device deactivation. We're going to come right back to this screen. For now, what we need to do is go over to Knox Manage and run a report. We're going to go into Knox Manage, click on advanced, report, and you want the report that says device list by license. We're going to actually click view. Another way to do that, by the way, is to just click on device list by license, and then in the lower right corner you can click on view. Either way will get you there. You're going to export this to Excel and download that file. When you open this file, it's going to show you all of your license keys that you have. So notice I have two different license keys. I have 3 devices on this one and 1 here. And the IMEIs that are associated with that license key. So the first license has nothing associated with it. The second one has 3. So find the license key in question. If you just have one, this will be easy for you. If you have multiple, just grab the license key that is currently the issue here. And then copy the IMEIs that are associated with that key and create a new document. Okay, so now we just have a list of IMEIs. That's all we need is a list of IMEIs. We're going to save that as a CSV file. Let's put it on the desktop. And we're going to save it as CSV. Okay, so that's book1.csv. That's fine. Oh, I clicked the wrong thing. Make sure I did it right. Desktop, CSV. Oh, I already did it. Okay, so we're good there. Now what we're going to do is go back over to that device deactivation tool. What this device deactivation tool does is if you have removed a device from that license key, but it didn't sync back up with this licensing server, you can come in here to the device deactivation tool and actually pull that device off of that license key. But what's easier to do is to tell the deactivation tool which devices you want to keep. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can actually read this. So what it says is I want to keep or remove devices from the license key. Okay, so you can say I want to remove these IMEIs or keep these IMEIs. So I like to say keep. So this is the list of IMEIs I want to remain on the license key. Put your license key in here, and then grab the file. I'm not actually going to be able to do this for you guys because I don't have a valid license key, so it's going to throw an error for me. But for you, you'll have a valid license key in here. You'll say you want to keep it. Put your IMEIs there. Alternatively, you can put the IMEIs in here, but they need to be comma separated, and that's kind of hard to set up. So it's easier to actually upload the CSV file, and then you'll click on submit. And what that will do is that will remove any IMEIs from the key that don't belong. So Knox Manage and the PLM server will agree on which IMEIs need to be in there. Now this will take probably a day or two for it to actually start functioning properly. Now you'll see when you go into licenses, and after you enter this your key in the check license key option, it should have a different value in there. It should be actually correct, and hopefully that will allow you to immediately start using that key. But sometimes Knox Manage, if it believes that there's a device using a key, it will take a little while for it to sync up with the SLM server and actually get the correct count. But anyway, that is how you remove old IMEIs from your SLM key. And if you have any questions, let me know.